The pain of overweight. Friends, imagine for a moment that if you get a chance once again to reset your life, what are the things you want to reset? If overweight and obesity is one of the point of your resetting, then today I will bring you a good news. Hi, my name is Bhupendra. I'm an online fitness coach. I'm a lifestyle expert and I help people to reduce their fat. I help them to achieve their dream personality. I give them the tools so that they can build their extraordinary lifestyle. Friends, the pain of overweight is more in our mind than our body. Whether we have a problem, heart problem, whether we cannot walk more, whether we cannot, whether we feel the poor digestion problem, but the problem of overweight is monster in our mind. Basically, I still remember that when I used to be overweight, on that time, whenever anybody used to tell me that you need to do something about it, I used to smile. But after that, my confidence used to go really down within inside me. If you can also connect with this, then I like to suggest to you that those people who are telling to you that you are overweight, you are obese, they themselves have they have no idea that how to talk with the people, and they are not facing the problem of this overweight. It doesn't mean that they have got all the knowledge, and you should ignore them, and do you should have the confidence in yourself that you can change yourself at any cost, because it takes around 30 years for you to become overweight. So how come it can be reduced in one day? The first thing you need to know this thing. So today I will tell you about that, what are the three concepts or what are the three things which you can do immediately to change or which will going to impact your lifestyle. The number one thing which I like to tell to you, that you need to do something about your kitchen. If you are overweight, then it is a result of your efforts in kitchen and in your workouts or in your gym. So friends, if you really want to change yourself, if you are looking forward for big changes in your life, then change the pattern of your kitchen. If you have biscuits, namkeens, and if you have any other thing which are not nutritious, then just avoid it and just throw them out, because they are equal to the garbage. Whenever we eat any of the namkeens or any sweet or any junk food, it is like a small bomb for our body. It goes, it just expands, and after that our insulin get releases. It gives a small energy but in a faster form. That's why insulin, what our mind thinks that it is a big energy. That's why our insulin releases more, and once the insulin is more, then you are not going to get your fitness. So that's why first of all you need to balance your insulin or hormonal level also. That's why throw those things. The second thing is this: try to replace them with the good things. I also feel like to consume cake. I also feel like to consume sugar, but I don't have sugars. I don't have the things which can build cake in my home. So that's why I do not take. Rather than I have many of the good options. I have the many sources of protein, tempeh, soya, paneer. They are already in my fridge, and usually I buy a weekly grocery every week on Sundays. That's why I don't have any problems into this. Change your kitchen, first thing. Second thing is change your lifestyle. Lifestyle includes how much water you drink, how much sleep you take, how much time you wake up, how much activity you do, how much walk you do, what kind of workout you do. If we talk about a good lifestyle, it includes nutrition, workouts, and your work. Be active at the time of your work and take a rest when it's a time of a rest. It's a lifestyle. And the third thing which you need to do, take the knowledge about the fitness. Friends, there are many skills in this market. I'm also learning many skills. How to build your confidence, how to read a book, how to wake up at 5 a.m., how to be a manager, how to be a leader, how to improve your self-image. There are many things which are how to become a good public speaker. There are many courses which we do not study in our school. Our school teaches us, our college teaches us that you should be the person who reads the book, who give the exams and who get passed. But what we think that once we complete our engineering, once we complete our college, once we complete our school, now the book has no value. You are wrong. You still need a coach, you still need a guidance, and you still need a knowledge about your fitness. Fitness is a skill. Fitness is an art. Why a person is not able to stop sugar, why a person not, it's a skill. It's a journey, it's a skill, it's a efforts which a person do. You need to give your value, your time and your money. Invest, be accountable for someone, be accountable for some course. Have some penalty on you if you don't, if you're not doing any fitness regime in your life. These are some of the 3 things. If you're going to take them seriously, then you will see the positive changes in your life. And always remember that the Rome is not built in a day. And whatever kind of an emptiness you are feeling because of your overweight, your poor food habits or your poor lifestyle is not going to fill it. You have to do something about it. And you have to do something about it doesn't mean that you will do all the things which you have never done in your 30 years. You have to do something about it with a small steps, on daily practice, with persistence. Friends, if you want to start your health journey, and especially I would like to talk to those people who has tried many times to lose their weight and now they are fed up and they want a simple solution. I really want some challenge in my life also, so that I will show them that how they can change their life and how their habits can impact their weight. So if you are facing any issues and if you want my suggestion, if you want to take my course, if you want my help in your weight loss journey, then I will provide you the solutions of the modern technologies which can help you to lose your weight not in months but in days. So if you're ready for your journey, then feel free to message me or contact me. My number I'm giving you just right here. This is Bhupendra signing out for now, and I know that you can do it. You all just need to know your fitness.